Come here, little puppy. Come here. Come here, little puppy. Come here. Little puppy. What are you doing there? Come here. Oh, aren't you just a cutie? Aww. Frisky's little puppy. What are you chewing on? I can see it on the... I can see you. Hey, don't think I'm not watching you. Little puppy, you want a belly rub? You're not getting out of it. Hey guys, I'm First Streamer, and these are my puppies. I call that one Cookies and Cream Fluff. Oh, she's so cute. I guess this would kind of be a stop. Hey, stop biting. Hey, Cookies and Cream Fluff, stop. I guess this would kind of be a vlog. I don't know. I honestly have no other ideas for videos. So, if you got an idea for a video, please comment down below and I'll read them all. Puppies are so cute. You've only seen a few so far, but they're chasing each other around. I'll show you the others some other time, but I'm gonna have to sell them eventually because my dad didn't want, like, King Daddy doesn't want me to keep all of them. And I'm gonna go off to college sometime soon, like after I graduate next year. So I won't be able to keep all of them. Come here. Hey. Little Fluff. Little peanut butter Oreo Fluff. Because they just look like brown and white and black. So cute. Black like the cookie, the white original Oreo, and then the brown peanut butter. So I call them peanut butter Oreo Fluff. They should make that. Have they made that? I don't know. But they should make that if they haven't already. Peanut butter Oreos with both the regular cream and the peanut butter cream. This little fluffy cutie. I love him. The way I know it's a boy is because they have a certain body part that makes them distinguish between females and males. I know they probably don't have that happening with human babies, but I know now that puppies have that. They are a few months old, to say the least. I'm going off. Their mother is hiding under my exercise chair. I gotten a bit chubby in the days. Oh. Cookies and Cream Fluff, come here. Come here. You're just right by my foot. Come here. They are so cute. I literally have no idea. And you guys aren't even watching my other videos, except one or two, because I'm not getting any comments, maybe one dislike on a video, but I just didn't have any ideas. I didn't know if you'd like to hear my voice. I don't like my own voice either. It's very childish, even though I'm like 17 now. Aren't they just so cute? You've only seen two, and the other two are fighting over there. Hey, look at me, Caramel Fluff. Caramel. Caramel. It's Caramel and Oreo Fluff. Just the regular Oreo, because see that stripe? The stripe. Stop. Stop it, Caramel. Yeah, my room's a mess, but I have to clean it every time. My dad tells me. So, King Daddy is a great daddy, except he and Mom are kind of still not getting together. Hey, hey. Sans and Mommy aren't really seeing each other. Hey, hey, come on. Are so cute. Stop biting me. They're teething right now because they just got their teeth. They open their eyes. They're so cute, aren't they? They're just, hey, don't touch that. That's my rabbit fur. I got that at First Monday. Yeah, I live in America now. I'm not like in Ebott City because they wouldn't accept us because, well, I live with monsters, not humans. Yeah, Kara said kill all humans, but not all humans are like that. Guys, you don't want to see my shoe. Aren't they just cute? Anyway, I'm gonna go now because there's a limit. So, bye.